Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to open any browser, and in this case I'll be using Google Chrome. Now open new tab and start searching for Fortnite Mobile. It needs to look like this, and now press go. From here, go to this link right here and click on the Get It on Epic Games app. Now download, open, and in this case I don't have to, but you might need to give Google or your browser access to install unknown apps. So I did it earlier, and now I'm gonna press install. Open, and here you will have the list with a few games. Select the Fortnite because that's what we want and press install. Now it will start installing, and after that process is done we can open the game, and then new download will commence, and it will take about 5 to 9 gigabytes, and after that we can play the game. So let me open the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.